When a Karen gets sentenced to life. Karens are those who tend to cause drama and stir up trouble, and often find themselves learning a harsh lesson. In this video, we will see just how far some Karens will go. From unruly behavior in court to public outbursts, their actions have consequences. Karen 1. In this clip, we're taken to Clark County Court in Las Vegas, where a young mother named Monica Contreras is facing a temporary restraining order filed by her ex-husband. Her 2-year-old daughter accompanies her to the courtroom. The hearing proceeds as usual and lasts only a few minutes. But then things take an unexpected turn. Courtroom Marshal Ron Fox takes Monica to another room for a drug search, while her daughter stays with Judge Patricia Donninger. Several minutes later, Monica returns to the courtroom, but she's visibly upset. She tells another marshal that she wasn't comfortable with the way Fox conducted the search. As Fox continues searching through her bag, he overhears Monica's complaints and becomes increasingly agitated. The tension in the room is palpable. What will happen next? It seems like the situation escalated quickly, and Monica Contreras was taken away from the courtroom and arrested for providing false information to a police officer and disturbing the peace. Her daughter was taken away from her and turned over to special services until her father picked her up later that day. Contreras later filed a complaint against Marshal Fox, claiming that he also groped her breasts and buttocks during the drug search. This started an investigation with Clark County Internal Affairs, who validated her claims and awarded her a court settlement of $200,000. Marshal Fox was fired immediately, and the other marshal was later relieved of his duties. Judge Donninger was also out of the court 2 years later when the courtroom footage went public. Karen 2. Moving on to another case, Karen, the owner of a restaurant, didn't follow the COVID-19 safety guidelines and continued to violate state's food laws, public health orders, and court orders despite multiple warnings. She landed in hot water and was given 93 days to comply. The Michigan Department of Agricultural Development appeared on behalf of the case, and the witness was sworn in to provide truthful testimony. Uh-oh, someone seems to have gotten on the wrong side of the law. In the courtroom, the judge sternly reminds the witness that they must tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury. The witness is hesitant to give a clear answer, but the judge won't back down. The judge reminds the witness that this isn't Burger King, and they can't have it their way. The courtroom is the judge's domain, and everyone must follow their rules. The witness's attorney is present, but the judge warns them not to speak unless they are going to tell the truth. The judge will not tolerate any disrespect or falsehoods in their court. The witness was hit with a $7,500 fine and 93 days in jail for contempt of court. Karen number 3. This clip is about a revolting duo, Joe Torres and Kayla Norton, who made headlines on July 25, 2015. They joined a convoy of pickup trucks, waving Confederate flags in Douglas County. But their despicable actions didn't stop there. As they drove past a black family's birthday party, they hurled racial slurs and even threatened to kill the partygoers while wielding weapons. Shockingly, they also flaunted their guns, as per the district attorney's statement. Torres claimed he feared for his friend's safety, but there's no excuse for such abhorrent behavior. Oh, how the tables have turned. The couple who once affected my life is now in tears as they face the consequences of their actions in court. Joyce Torres was convicted on multiple charges, including aggravated assault, making terrorist threats, and violating Georgia's Street Gang Terrorism and Prevention Act. He was sentenced to 20 years with 13 years in prison. Kayla Norton, on the other hand, was convicted on charges of making terrorist threats and violating the Street Gang Act, resulting in a 15-year sentence with 6 years in prison. Karen 4. If you haven't already heard of the iPhone incident involving the Soho Karen in 2021, we have some new information about her that has recently come to light. In case you missed it, here's a quick recap. This woman lost her iPhone and accused the nearest black teenager of stealing it. Things quickly escalated, with the woman demanding that the teen prove that the phone wasn't hers. The situation got out of hand, with the woman becoming increasingly agitated and belligerent. As a result of her actions, the woman was charged with 4 felonies: attempted robbery, endangering the welfare of a child, attempted grand larceny, and attempted assault. Karen's outbursts in the incident landed her in front of a judge. New information about the Soho Karen incident has emerged. Despite facing 4 felony charges, she was not held in bail and flew back to LA after her court appearance. Footage of her October 2020 DUI arrest has been made public. She has also been investigated for vandalizing her Airbnb on the same day as the phone incident. And that concludes our journey. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.